Top 25 Dairy Farmer Interview Questions and Answers. In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions commonly asked of dairy farmers. These questions will help both job seekers and employers understand the skills and knowledge necessary for success in the dairy industry. We will also provide insightful answers to each question, offering guidance on how to effectively respond. Whether you are preparing for an interview or seeking to improve your understanding of the field, this video will be a valuable resource. 1. Can you describe your experience working with dairy cows? I have worked with dairy cows for several years, primarily focusing on their health and productivity. I've been involved in daily tasks such as feeding, milking, and monitoring their well-being. My experience includes managing both small and large herds, allowing me to adapt to different farm environments. I've also participated in breeding programs and have developed skills in identifying health issues early. Working closely with veterinarians has deepened my understanding of animal care. Each day presents unique challenges, but I find it rewarding to contribute to the herd's success and welfare. 2. What does a typical day look like for you on a dairy farm? A typical day on a dairy farm begins early, often before sunrise. I start by checking on the cows, ensuring they are healthy and comfortable. Milking usually takes place in the morning, followed by feeding the herd and cleaning the barn. After that, I monitor the equipment to ensure everything operates smoothly. Throughout the day, I perform tasks such as administering veterinary care, checking for signs of heat in cows, and maintaining records. Communication with team members is vital to coordinate tasks efficiently. The day often wraps up with evening milking and final checks on the animals. 3. Which types of dairy equipment have you used, and how do you maintain them? I have experience using various types of dairy equipment, including milking machines, bulk tanks, and feeding systems. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. I perform daily checks on milking machines, ensuring proper vacuum levels and cleaning the liners. Bulk tanks are monitored for temperature and cleanliness, with monthly thorough cleaning and sanitation procedures. Additionally, I inspect feeding systems to prevent blockages and ensure accurate delivery. Keeping a maintenance log helps track repairs and service schedules, ensuring equipment longevity and efficiency on the farm. 4. What technical skills do you possess that are relevant for dairy farming? I possess a variety of technical skills relevant to dairy farming. My proficiency includes operating and maintaining milking machinery, ensuring optimal performance. I am skilled in using herd management software, which allows for tracking health, breeding, and production data effectively. Additionally, I have experience with equipment repair, troubleshooting mechanical issues promptly. My understanding of animal nutrition helps me formulate diets that enhance milk production and maintain cow health. I also bring knowledge of biosecurity practices, ensuring a safe environment for both livestock and workers. 5. Have you managed both manual and automated milking processes? I have experience with both manual and automated milking processes. In my previous role, I operated a traditional milking system, which required hands-on skills and attention to detail. I ensured proper milking techniques to maintain cow comfort and milk quality. Transitioning to automated systems, I learned how to monitor the technology, conduct routine maintenance, and troubleshoot any issues that arose. This blend of experience has equipped me with the ability to adapt to different milking methods while ensuring efficiency and animal welfare. 6. How do you monitor animal health and spot signs of disease or stress? Monitoring animal health is crucial on a dairy farm. Regular observations of behavior, appetite, and physical condition help identify any signs of distress or illness. Implementing a routine health check can include checking for abnormalities such as coughing, limping, or changes in milk production. Keeping detailed records allows for tracking trends in health and productivity. Additionally, using technology like electronic collars or health monitoring systems can provide real-time data on each cow's health status. Early detection leads to prompt intervention, which is vital for herd well-being. 7. Describe how you identified and managed mastitis in your previous role. In my previous role, I regularly monitored milk quality and cow behavior to identify signs of mastitis. I looked for abnormal milk consistency, color changes, and swelling in the udders. When I suspected mastitis, I conducted a thorough examination and consulted with a veterinarian for diagnosis. Treatment involved administering antibiotics as prescribed, isolating affected cows, and ensuring proper milking procedures. I also implemented preventive measures, such as improving hygiene during milking and adjusting nutrition to support overall udder health. Regular training for staff on mastitis recognition was essential. 8. Have you treated cows with milk fever? How do you handle treatment? Milk fever, or hypocalcemia, is a common issue in dairy cows, especially around calving. Treatment involves administering calcium supplements, typically intravenously, to quickly restore blood calcium levels. I monitor cows closely for early signs like weakness or lack of appetite. If I suspect milk fever, I act promptly, ensuring a calm environment to minimize stress. After treatment, I implement preventive measures, such as proper nutrition and mineral supplementation during late pregnancy, to reduce the risk of recurrence. Keeping records helps track at-risk cows for proactive management. 9. What do you think causes bloat in cows, and how do you prevent it? Bloat in cows is primarily caused by the accumulation of gas in the rumen due to excessive fermentation of certain feeds, especially legumes like alfalfa or clover. Factors such as rapid dietary changes, overconsumption of lush pasture, or inadequate fiber intake can also contribute. To prevent bloat, it's essential to introduce new feeds gradually and provide a balanced diet rich in fiber. Regular monitoring of cattle during grazing and ensuring they have access to fresh water can help. Additionally, using anti-bloat agents or supplements may be effective in high-risk situations. 10. How much magnesium should you feed to newly calved cows? Newly calved cows should generally receive about 10 to 15 grams of magnesium per day, depending on their diet and specific needs. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake is crucial to prevent conditions like grass tetany, especially in early lactation. It's essential to monitor their diet closely and adjust magnesium supplementation based on forage quality and the cow's overall health. Providing magnesium in the form of mineral blocks or mixed into their feed can help maintain optimal levels. Regularly consulting with a veterinarian or a nutritionist can help tailor the magnesium needs for your herd. 11. Can you share a time when the milking process did not go well? During a particularly busy morning, we encountered a malfunction in the milking machine that resulted in several cows not being milked properly. The issue was traced back to a clogged line that went unnoticed until we began to see signs of discomfort in the cows. I quickly alerted my supervisor, and we paused the milking process to address the problem. I took the initiative to help troubleshoot and clean the equipment, ensuring that all cows were milked within a reasonable timeframe. This experience reinforced the importance of regular equipment checks and maintaining open communication during stressful periods. 12. What would you do if there was a breakdown in the milking machinery? In the event of a breakdown in the milking machinery, I would first assess the situation quickly to determine the cause of the issue. If it's a minor malfunction, I would attempt to troubleshoot and fix it right away, using any available tools and resources. If the problem requires specialized knowledge or tools, I would notify the farm manager and call for a technician. During this downtime, I would ensure the cows are comfortable and check for any signs of distress. Keeping communication open with the team is vital, as we might need to adjust our milking schedule or manage other tasks to maintain farm operations. 13. How do you handle urgent issues, like equipment failure or sick animals, during busy periods? In urgent situations, prioritizing tasks is essential. I quickly assess the severity of the issue, whether it's equipment failure or a sick animal. For equipment problems, I follow established protocols, troubleshooting minor issues while keeping backup plans ready. If a cow shows signs of illness, I isolate her from the herd to prevent spreading potential infections. I maintain open communication with my team, assigning tasks based on urgency and expertise. Ensuring that critical issues are resolved efficiently helps maintain the farm's productivity during peak times. 14. Give an example of a problem you solved quickly on the farm. One time, during the evening milking session, a cow became stuck in the milking stall, which could have delayed the entire process. I quickly assessed the situation and realized that the cow was panicking, making it harder to free her. I calmly spoke to her and gently guided her while a colleague held the adjacent stall open. After a few tense moments, we managed to free her safely without causing stress to the other animals. This swift action not only prevented a backlog but also ensured the cow remained calm, allowing us to continue milking without further incidents. 15. What would you do in the case of a thermoduric or Bacto alert? In response to a thermoduric or Bacto alert, I would first assess the situation by reviewing the recent milking and cleaning protocols. Ensuring that all equipment is properly sanitized is crucial. I would check the milk storage temperature and evaluate if there are any issues with the cooling system. Engaging with my team, I would implement immediate measures, such as additional testing of milk samples and reviewing feed to identify potential sources of contamination. Communication with the dairy processor is essential, ensuring they are informed while we work on resolving the issue efficiently. 16. What experience do you have managing large herds? Managing large herds requires strong organizational skills and effective communication. In my previous role, I was responsible for a herd of over 200 dairy cows. This involved daily monitoring of health and nutrition, implementing a breeding schedule, and coordinating with the veterinary team for regular checkups. I utilized herd management software to track individual animal performance and health data, ensuring timely interventions. I also trained staff on proper handling techniques and best practices, fostering a team environment that prioritized animal welfare and productivity. 17. What factors are most important to ensure herd efficiency and health? To ensure herd efficiency and health, several key factors must be prioritized. First, nutrition plays a vital role. Providing a balanced diet tailored to the specific needs of the herd can enhance milk production and overall health. Regular health monitoring and veterinary care are essential for early detection of diseases and to maintain herd well-being. Additionally, effective breeding programs that focus on genetic improvement contribute significantly to herd performance. Lastly, proper housing and management practices, including stress reduction and comfortable living conditions, are critical for maintaining a productive and healthy herd. 18. Can you give an example of your approach to handling difficult animals? When handling difficult animals, I prioritize safety for both myself and the animal. First, I assess the situation calmly to identify the source of the animal's stress or aggression. I often use low-stress handling techniques, such as moving slowly and using gentle verbal cues, to help the animal feel more secure. For example, I once worked with a cow that was reluctant to enter the milking parlor. I approached her from the side, using a calm voice, and offered her some feed to coax her inside. Patience and understanding the animal's body language are key in these situations. 19. Have you been responsible for identifying cows in heat? How did you do this? Identifying cows in heat is crucial for successful breeding. I typically observe behavioral changes such as increased restlessness, vocalizations, and mounting behavior. I also check for physical signs like swollen vulva and clear mucus discharge. In addition, I use heat detection aids like tail paint or pedometers to monitor activity levels. Consistent record keeping helps track individual cow cycles, allowing for better timing of insemination. Engaging with the herd daily enhances my ability to notice subtle changes, ensuring I identify cows ready for breeding promptly. 20. What indications show a cow is in standing heat? A cow in standing heat typically exhibits several clear signs. First, she may become more vocal, making increased bellowing sounds. Additionally, she will often display heightened activity and may mount other cows or stand still when mounted. Other indications include a swollen vulva and a clear, mucoid discharge. Cows may also show restlessness or seek out the herd more frequently. Observing these behaviors closely helps ensure timely breeding, maximizing the chances of successful conception. Monitoring these signs consistently is vital for effective herd management. 21. How would you achieve a high submission rate in the first round of mating? Achieving a high submission rate in the first round of mating requires a combination of good management practices and careful observation. First, ensuring that cows are in optimal body condition and health is crucial, as underweight or stressed cows may not exhibit proper heat cycles. Regular heat detection through observation or technology like heat sensors helps identify when cows are ready for breeding. Implementing a synchronized breeding program can also help. Additionally, providing appropriate nutrition, minimizing stress, and maintaining a comfortable environment contribute significantly to successful mating outcomes. Ensuring timely interventions when necessary is key for maximizing submission rates. 22. How would you manage a tail painting program for breeding? Managing a tail painting program requires careful planning and execution. I would start by selecting the right paint that is easy to apply and visible. The process involves painting the tails of cows that are in heat to help identify them during breeding times. Regular monitoring is essential, so I would check the painted tails daily and note any changes. Additionally, I would train team members to recognize signs of heat and ensure they understand the importance of accurate recording. Collaboration and communication with the breeding team would be crucial for timely insemination, maximizing breeding success rates. 23. How do you ensure clear communication and teamwork on the farm? Effective communication on the farm starts with regular meetings where team members can discuss tasks and address any concerns. I prioritize open dialogue and encourage everyone to share their ideas and feedback. Utilizing clear signage and written instructions for daily tasks helps minimize misunderstandings. I also believe in leading by example, demonstrating teamwork through collaboration during milking or feeding. Recognizing individual strengths allows me to assign roles that enhance productivity. Lastly, I maintain a friendly atmosphere, fostering trust and cooperation among team members, which ultimately contributes to a more efficient workplace. 24. In what ways do you support your colleagues when working as a team? I prioritize open communication and actively listen to my colleagues' ideas and concerns. By sharing my knowledge and skills, I help create a collaborative environment. I often step in to assist when someone is overwhelmed, whether it's during busy milking sessions or managing livestock care. Encouraging a positive atmosphere is important, so I celebrate team successes and recognize individual contributions. I also believe in providing constructive feedback to foster growth. This mutual support strengthens our teamwork and enhances the overall efficiency of our farm operations. 25. What strategies do you use to stay motivated and healthy during physically demanding work? Staying motivated and healthy during physically demanding work involves a combination of mental and physical strategies. I prioritize setting clear, achievable goals for each day, which provides a sense of accomplishment. Regular breaks are essential. They allow me to recharge and prevent burnout. I also focus on maintaining a balanced diet, incorporating nutritious snacks and hydration to keep energy levels up. Engaging with colleagues fosters a supportive environment, encouraging teamwork and shared motivation. Lastly, I practice mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing or short reflections, which help manage stress and maintain a positive mindset. As you prepare for your dairy farmer interview, understanding the key questions and their effective answers can significantly enhance your chances of success. These insights not only help you showcase your knowledge and experience but also demonstrate your passion for the industry. We hope this list of top interview questions serves as a valuable resource in your preparation journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your interviews.